Alright, good morning. Got out of camp about 7:30, which is awesome. I wanted to get an early start. You can tell it's still pretty wet and rainy. It's not raining right now. Anyway, slept really good. Once I got in, tucked in, warmed up, slept great. It was a nice mix of people there at the shelter. We had, I think, a dad or a couple dads with their teen daughters. I don't know how much fun the girls were having, but they seemed to be enjoying it, and they're making memories nonetheless. We had a few other guys that everybody's just section hiking, and a few guys in their 60s. One was 68, and so anyway, I think that's great. They're out here. Yeah, so everything was good at camp, and I got to get to Mollie's Ridge, which is around 12 miles today. And yeah, sorry I didn't film much last half yesterday. It was just soaking wet. Didn't feel like getting the camera out. There wasn't much to see anyways. And anyway, it's gonna be hopefully a little clearer day, but I'm expecting just it to be rainy. Deal with it. Stuff doesn't really dry out overnight, but it is what it is. As long as you can sleep good and warm up, and that's what I did. So we'll hopefully have another great night. I'll check back in later. So I'm at Thunderhead Mountain. I haven't heard any thunder, so that's good. But we're at 5,527 feet. Alright. On the Rocky Top. See what the views are there. I think this is Rocky Top. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna look at my phone. But there you go. One hell of a view. Whew. Alright. I'm standing on top of Rocky Top. Yay. That's awesome. In some weird way. Alright, I'm getting soaked. I've been soaked all day. But I'm gonna get back under the trees. So, more view, Rocky Top. I bet it's good on a clear day. Yep, I'm gonna put this thing away so I can get down safely. Alright, I checked the map. Now I'm coming up to Rocky Top. I don't know what that other one was. Well, we'll see. I bet we have about the same view. I bet it's amazing. I bet it's amazing. Nothing to say. I don't know which way the trail goes. Kind of looks like this way. I'm gonna look for a blaze. Could it go that way? Could it go this way? I'm not seeing any blazes. Oh. Feels like the trail. wrapping up about 12-mile day from Derrick's and I am getting to Mollies Ridge. So might check in, but if not, we made it. Sloppy day. It's dried out maybe the last half, so that's been good. So anyway, I'm gonna get in and set up.